Asexual reproduction. Development of new individuals without the fusion of the male and female gametes is known as asexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction usually includes ameiotic or meiotic divisions of the nucleus and the cytoplasm of the body, somatic cells. Therefore, it is also known as somatogenic or blastogenic reproduction. The asexual reproduction is common only in lower plants and animals. The asexual reproduction is of following types. 1. By fission. 2. By budding. 3. By gemule formation. 4. By regeneration. 1. By fission. The fission is the most widely occurring type of asexual reproduction in the protozoan and various metazoans. In this method, the nuclear and cytoplasmic contents of the cell divide or split completely into smaller sized daughter individuals. In binary fission, the animal body splits or divided in such a plane that two equal and identical halves are produced. It is most common in protozoans, but it also occurs in certain lower metazoans. First of all, the nucleus divides by ameiotic or meiotic division, and the division of the nucleus is followed by the division of the cytoplasm. Transverse binary fission occurs in some protozoans like Paramecium and some metazoans such as coelentrates, tubularians, and annelids. Longitudinal binary fission occurs in certain ciliates and flagellates. Example, Euglena, protozoa, Verticella, and some corals, Anthozoa. Strobilation occurs in certain metazoan animals, a special type of transverse fission. In Aurelia, for instance, the strobilation occurs during the formation of Ephyra larvae. Multiple fission occurs in most algae, fungi, and some protozoans. Example, amoeba, proteus, and monocysts, etc. Two, by budding. In certain multicellular animals, such as coelentrate, tunicates, the body gives out a small outgrowth known as bud. The bud is supported by the parent body, and it ultimately develops into a new individual. It gets its food from parent body. When fully mature, gets detached from the parent body and leads an individual existence. 3. By gemule formation. In some metazoan animals, sponges, peculiar asexual bodies, known as gemules or statoblasts, which are composed of undifferentiated cells that contain stored food materials. These cells are enclosed and protected by monoaxon spicules. By destruction of parent body, develop into new individuals in the favorable conditions. 4. Regeneration. Regeneration is the best method of asexual reproduction in certain protozoans, sponges, coelentrates, and echinoderms. Organism develops from the lost or worn-out parts. Members of the kingdom, fungi, and simple parts, such as algae, reproduce through special reproductive structures. Common are zoospores, which are microscopic motile structures. Conidia, penicillarian. In animals, the term asexual reproduction is used. In plants, the term vegetative propagation is frequently used.